Hey guys, David here from the Crystal Company. Hope you all are well. Seeing a lot of questions about the matte, satin, and gloss finishes and the differences between. You're going to get the same results, same great looking finish with any of the different sheens. But the thing that I wanted to keep everybody aware of is with the matte finish, if you build up several layers of that, say more than three, the flattening agent that is used to bring the sheen down in the matte finish can possibly start to build up, and it'll give you a real dull, not a real clear zero sheen finish. It just kind of looks dull. So quick tip for you, since you've got the gloss already, most likely go ahead and put down 3-4 coats of gloss or whatever, and then the last sheen that you put on, the last product, the last coat that you put on will be the sheen that you come out with. So for example, if you use 5 coats of extreme protection gloss and 1 coat of bright tone matte, then your sheen's going to be matte. It will be completely flat, zero shine. Satin is somewhere in the middle, with gloss, of course, being the shiniest. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks a lot. See you guys later. Bye.